Good morning, everybody. Today is, I think, January something. I don't know when this video is going to come out, but I would like to start off by saying welcome back to the channel. And here you are seeing me set up my sketchbook. Typically for the last, I think, 2 years, I've been doing a digital sketchbook along with my physical one. And I will set it up like a comic in Clip Studio Paint, and I'll make like a little cover that says the month and the year. And what I tried to do at first was I tried to release them to patrons, and I kind of kept forgetting to post them, so I decided against it. So here I'm just setting up for this month, and later on in the video I do believe you see me try to adjust a page setting. I'm not sure what I was trying to adjust, but I was trying to adjust something. So there's a moment where you kind of see me stall. Here I am using the new brushes that I put together and will be releasing on the 14th, I do believe, to the public. It'll be released on the 10th for patrons. And now I am starting to do a small sketch to display the brushes. I really wasn't trying to do anything serious, so it's very loose, very just off the top of my head, and just really quick. I didn't want to spend a lot of time on it. I do believe I think I spent maybe 15 to 20 minutes on this sketch, and then another 5 to 10 cleaning it up. Um, so the proportions are off, the size of the features is off, and some of the shapes are off. Um, but it served its purpose, and that's all I could really ask for. Thank you, neighbors. Like I said in my last video, I really don't put a lot of work into editing these. So you may hear some stuff from outside, you may hear some stuff from inside. I may talk weird. There's like a secondary relay happening right now, so I can hear myself talk. It's really weird. Um, but back to the video. As you see, I'm finishing up. I fully formed the skull and drew in the hairline. And now I can talk about the brushes. So essentially, there's I don't want to say large group, but there is a group of artists and the unfortunate term of calling them content creators that electively price their brushes. And ever since I started doing digital art, I never believed in charging for brushes. I think that's the right term for it. I think that brushes should be free. I think access to art resources should be free. Um, and that's why I do what I do. So essentially, I was like, I need brushes for protective hair. I need brushes for um, natural curls that are closer to both my style and my hair. I have a very mixed hair texture, so sometimes it's tight coils, sometimes it's loose curls, sometimes it's really straight. Um, so I wanted to put together two brushes for protective styles and two brush types or three brush types for different types of natural hair. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I make art resources and release them free after a period of time. Um, I mostly use access to my Patreon as an early access thing. So these brushes will be 100% free with the option to tip soon.